Guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 7/26, my birthday, to 8/1. So let's get it started, guys, because it's a lot in this ad. We have a 3-day sale actually coming up July 30th to August 1st. So you know your 5 off 25 is included on Saturday, and they have some good deals included. So let's start looking at it right now. They already have the 3 for $15 on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew with a $2 coupon. Then they have 3 for $15 on the 12 packs of Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, and Canada Dry. And then remember those 2-liter, the 1.5 liters was buy one get one 50%. Now they are 2 for $2. Then you also, here is the Frito-Lay multi-pack. Remember I told you Walmart, I do not gatekeep, has these Frito-Lay packs, the 18 count, already for $8.95. So if you do not get that coupon, you could go there. Then it's back, guys. Buy two, get two. Now, this is when you stock up for school, because we don't know if this become back. My kids go back to school on the 18th or the 19th. So it's time for me to stock up on like these type of things. 2 for $8 on the Cheetos. Then when you come down, you have that spend 30, save 5 on the game, but you do have some game that's 2 for $15. Let me tell you guys, I really like that game rinse. That smells so awesome. And then we have a $3 coupon on game right here. $2 off on the Dawn dish soap. Then they gave us $1 off on Tide. Down here for the school deals, 50-cent Crayolas and $1 on the pencils and $1.50 on the markers. So if you need any of those, all of the big box stores at this point are kind of running the same, and Dollar General just joined in because last week they wasn't. $2 off on the Kingsford chocolate. Now, when we move here for the 3-day sale, you see that they have the diet, they have the Sprite, Coca-Cola, and Fanta 3 for $16 with a $1 coupon. Hopefully they'll give us something that'll stack. Then they had the 4 for $12. So here is one of your good deals. 4 for $12 on the 6 packs of Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, Canada Dry. Now that's a good deal. And another good deal, 5 for $5 on the 2 liters of Sunkist, RC, and 7-Up, guys. Remember I told you, do not get them when they 3 for $5 because they'll be back around 5 for $5. So here's your chance. And it's $5.50 when I'm doing this video, so this should be out by about 6:30. Early activation start at 7, guys. So you should be able to get to Dollar General if you want to for this sale, not the 3-day sale. That 3-day sale early activation going to start on Wednesday. Now, they have the plates for $1, $4.95 for their True Living. Buy one, get one 50% off on the binders, which I think is a good deal. They are $1.50. So you'll pay $1.25 or $2 each for them, depends on what you get, and 50-cent on the filler paper and the notebooks. Now, the notebook college, those are 35 cents at Walgreens, and I didn't get a chance to see what the filler paper was, okay? Now, we also have $1 off when you buy 2 of the Eggo waffles. And we know the Eggos are at, what, $3.50 each? So that's $1 off, so that'd be $3 each. Chobani is 2 for $3. Then they do have the cereal 2 for $6. Again, Walgreens still have buy one, get 2 free. When you come up here, you see they have 12 packs of Crush, Swoops, and Mugs, 3 for $12, and they have a $2 off coupon, so those are 3 for $10. Now, that's a good deal. Walgreens, again, have buy two, get one free. So just do your math on that one, okay? And then they have this 18-pack of Pepsi and Mountain Dew for $8.95, but that has a $2 coupon. 3 for $4 on the Gatorades, 3 for $6 on the 20-ounce bottles of Pepsi and Mountain Dew. I would not grab that if you're going to get any of those 12 packs. Then 2 for $2 on the Sprite, which we like when that little deal. My son loved that deal. Here it is, guys, and I could not find any Hawaiian Punch. This deal is back, though, 2 for $5. So that's a good stock up. Throw it in a book bag type of deal, all right? $4 for the Ritz crackers. You also have down here, the ice cream is $3.95. It's starting to get near the end, guys. I hate to say it. Buy 2, get 1 free on the Betty Crocker Gump fruit snacks. Then we do have the Peter Pan 2 for $5 again, which we also enjoyed. Now, down at the bottom, they have the 2 for $10 on the Totino pizza rolls. My boys like those, so I probably will be grabbing those. Then as you go up in here, you will see some of the medicines are on sale. Now let's get to this middle part, because they gave us the spend 15, save 5 off on all Ajax. That's what's that speed stick, a lot of Hello, all of that. So once we get the looking over to the side, they gave us the Suavitel. They gave a 50-cent coupon, $1.50 coupon. So it makes that $4 Suavitel $2.50. They gave us $1 off on the Fabuloso, which makes it $4. And then another $1 on the Ajax, which makes it $3. And then they gave us the Snuggle, $1.25 off, which makes it $2.50. Now, if you come down, you see a spend 30, save 10 on your next shopping trip. It is not on, you get it off that day, okay? That was my boo-boo I made last time, so let's get that together. $2 off again on the Mr. Clean. You got $2 off on the Don. Down here, you do still have that save $10 off on, well, that is not the same. That's just saving $10 off on the Swiffers. I hope you guys took advantage of those Swiffers, because that was an awesome deal. You got $1.50 off on Puffs, $1 and off on the Bounty. Now turning in $3.95 for the water. Walgreens have them 3 for $9. So do the math. 3 for $13 on the Sprites and Coca-Cola. Then they have spend 15, save 3 on the all Persil, Purex, Dow. Those deals are back, okay? And then they have another instant, spend 15, save 3. So we already just went through how many instances? 3 instants. And here's another. Spend 25, save 5 on the Angel Soft and Sparkle. And then another one. Spend 7, save 3 on the True Living candles. But the Viva paper towels, 2 for $9, which I like that deal. And then we have save $4 on a digital for Thai and Game Day. So they are sharing that coupon, guys. Then we have $2 off on the Arm & Hammer, which was a Dollar General coupon last week. 2 for $12 on the Gatorade. Still a good deal on Gatorade. 3 for $3 on the Powerade. That's also a good deal. Now, when we go back over here at the 3-day sale, we see that the Herdez is 2 for $2s. Then you have the 2 for $4 on the black coffee. Buy 2, get 1 free on the Bugles. $5 tote. I think that's going to be a hottie toddy right there to grab, okay? Then it's 15 on that True Living fan and 20 on the Mr. Clean bucket, which if you wait till Saturday and add that with something high value, you'll get it for a cheaper price, okay? So I think, guys, overall, this was an awesome ad preview. So if you guys want to grab something out of here, I think early activation would be awesome. If you get 7 o'clock, starts early activation at most of the stores. Don't forget they 3-day sale. And if you all enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon account, because we don't gatekeep. Bye.